Let's talk about Knaxon. It's the deterministic control layer for your architecture.
So your rules are all over the place, right? What happens when an auditor asks you to prove it?
Yeah, this fragmentation is a compliance nightmare. It makes every single system change incredibly painful.
So what's the fix? We call it documents as code. Your regulations become live, executable artifacts.
See, your rules and data tables are embedded right into a single, dynamic documentation model. And here's the cool part. This model actually executes, giving you a clear result and a perfect audit trail.
This delivers true architectural control. You get determinism, complete explainability, and instant evolvability.
So you're swapping scattered files and manual audits for centralized logic and automated traceability. Big difference.
And of course, it's built for security. Deploy it on-prem, in a private cloud, or even fully or air-gapped.
Bottom line, Knaxon is that deterministic layer that puts you back in control of your existing systems.